Good morning, listener. Wherever you, here I am, Juan. Will convey the next about COVID-19 has spread in Indonesia at the least. It has the high impact to all activities or all sectors like at school, campus, activity. Alright, by this time I will report about the case COVID-19 in Indonesia by Juan. Presiden Jokowi received the first COVID-19 vaccine. Presiden Joko Widodo today, Wednesday, January 13, 2021, at the Merdeka Place, Jakarta, is the first person to receive vaccine in the free mass vaccination program in Indonesia. This vaccination is the starting point for implementing national vaccination in Indonesia as an effort to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. At around 9 at 36 with the president was seen walking toward the trace of the Merdeka Place, which had been laid out like a vaccination simulation site at the Puskesmas some time ago. Before being injected with the vaccine, the president first registered the verified data as well as health screening, including measuring body temperature and blood pressuring. The result of the health screening by officer saw the president temperature when he was checked was 36 at 3 degrees Celsius and blood pressure 130 mmHg. The president also responded a number of questions about medical history until he was declared healthy and fit for vacation. The head of state head to the next table where the injection is carried out. As for acting as the president vaccinator is the deputy chairperson of the president, Prof. Dr. Abdul Muttalib, SPD, Kahom, assistant by assistant who prepared the equipment. The vaccinator appeared to be injected the vaccine in President Jokowi left arm around 9 at 42 with the injection process runs safely and smoothly. How, sir? Asked the vaccinator. Nothing at all, replies the president. To note, the vaccine that was injected into the president was the CoronaVac vaccine made by Sinovac Life Science Co. Ltd in collaboration with PT Bio Farma. The vaccine has gone through a number of clinical trials involving 1,620 volunteers in Bandung. The vaccine has also obtained an emergency use permit from the Food and Drug Supervisory Agency (BPOM) and has been declared holy and halal by the Indonesia Ulama Council (MUI), so that it can be used for the vaccination program in Indonesia. After the injection, the president followed the process of observing the possibility of a post-military assistance event (KIPI) in the Oval Room, Merdeka Place, for about 30 minutes. The president appeared to be active as usual after the vaccination process and was seen chatting with State Secretary Pratikno. The Sinovac vaccine requires 2 injections of 5 milliliters each within the interval of 14 days. For this reason, vaccine recipients will receive a vaccination card and remind to receive vaccine for the second time previously when giving a statement on Wednesday, December 16, 2020 at the Merdeka Place, Jakarta. The President emphasized the head of state would receive the first COVID-19 vaccine. This is to ward off public doubts about the safety of the vaccine provided. I also want to emphasize again a lot. Thanks for attention. Bye and have a nice day.